wish to hear songs, let him keep away from our company. For I sing to gladden my own heart, and for the solace of companions, and more so that it might befall in a song that it please my lady. For no other desire constrains me of solace or of fair conduct. The fair one for whom I am eager, I desire the holding and the kissing, and the lying down and more to conquer, and after sleeves and chords, and of the more that I might cry mercy for it. For never shall I be conquered by jewel or by token, if what I most wish I do not obtain. Desirous, and who does not desire the most precious, and who does not undertake to love, hardly can he be spirited or worthy. For from love comes gladness and comes good, and through love a man is courtly, and love gives the art and the craft by which good worth finds support. From it, that man knows all there is of love. I know neither too much, nor do I pretend, nor ever do I wish anyone to teach me of it. Who first made men jealous, for he knew how to do so courtly a craft. For jealousy makes me guard against ill speakers and troublesome ones. And from jealousy I have learned that for which I hold myself in prohibition, for the sake of one and no other do I deign. Even from courting I refrain myself. A man never loses his equal, than envying another's good fortune, when God wishes to join two together. I wish of a lady that she keep faith, and that she never surpass it at all. So I inquire where I go and whence I come, since I hold myself entirely at her pleasure. From you I have learned that for which I am courtly to all. But of one I sing, and of one I pretend, and from that lady I hold Miraval. And you will hardly find one to teach you of love, since I learn of it from you.